Alright. Welcome back, you beautiful packets of data. This is Kagasek, and man, after that last shot where we dove into the strangest attack, Cicada 3301, I gotta say, you guys blew up the support. Comments, likes, shares, my router literally started heating up from happiness. So today we go full power, the final boss of Nmap, the scan that sees all and exposes everything. Yeah, this is the ultimate revision episode. We are revising everything from basics to advanced, and by the end of this video, you will be kind of the person who runs Nmap even on your microwave just to check open ports. So let's start with a quick reality check. Nmap is a network mapper, basically the Sherlock Holmes of your network. It scans devices, finds open ports, detects running services, and tells you if your neighbor's Wi-Fi printer is plotting against you. So type command nmap with your IP address. This is your classic scan, your hello world. It checks the target, sends a few probes, and politely asks, "Excuse me, sir, what ports are open today?" If you just wanna see who's alive in your network and not actually touch the ports, use nmap-sn with your IP address. This one's like walking through your college campus and just saying, "Yo, anyone home?" No door knocking, just roll call. Now let's say you only care about one suspicious port, like port 22, because SSH is always smells like secrets. You would do nmap-p with your port number along with your IP address. Or if you are feeling extra spicy and want to scan a range, nmap-p with your range and along with your IP address. This one basically says like, I'm checking every single door and windows just in case your fridge is running Apache. Next, you see an open port, but you don't know what's running there. Could be a web server, could be a trap, could be a friend's Python project gone wrong. So let's ask nicely with -sv command, nmap-sv along with your IP address. Now nmap not only tells you what is open, but also what version it's using. It's like, oh, hi port 80, you are running Apache 2.4.41 vintage. Wanna flex your hacker senses? Use the -o flag to detect the operating systems of the target. Sudo nmap -o with your IP address. This one sniffs packet responses and guesses the OS. It's like saying, judging by your TCP handshake, you smell like Windows 10. Alright, now the big daddy, the -a flag. This is where nmap goes full James Bond mode. It does version detection, OS detection, script scanning, and trace route all at once. Sudo nmap-a along with your IP address. You will get so much information here that you will start feeling guilty reading it. Like, bro, this scan knows more about the target than the target's mom does. Let's say you wanna scan the whole neighborhood, all devices in your Wi-Fi. Easy, nmap-a with your subnet. This one lists every connected device. You will find everything from your phone, your smart bulb, to that mysterious device named ESP32 unknown. That's probably your neighbor's DIY spy cam. And here's where things get juicy. Nmap comes with built-in scripts for advanced scanning using --script command. You can detect vulnerabilities, enumerate users, even brute force logins. Sudo nmap-script equals vuln with your IP address. Boom! This checks for common CVEs and tells you what's weak. Basically, nmap says, hey, this machine's running outdated software. Hackers would love this. Some devices are shy, they don't reply to pings. So if your target's ignoring you, use nmap-ping along with your IP address. It's like sneaking in quietly without knocking. Nmap's like, fine, don't talk to me. I will just test your doors silently. Alright, here's where pros flex by combining flags. Sudo nmap with a, sv, o, p with range, -script with vulnerability, and IP address. This one's like sending all the probes. Nmap basically does everything short of ordering pizza for the target. Because real hackers takes note, use -on to save your results neatly. Nmap with a command with your IP address and on command with your file name .txt extension. Boom, you have got a report ready for the analysis. or for bragging rights in your Discord group. So that's it, folks. From SN to A, from single targets to full subnets, you now officially know more about Nmap than 90% of people who claim they are cyber experts on Instagram. If you learned something today, drop a like, comment Kagasek scanned me, and subscribe for more fun, smart, and sometimes chaotic cybersecurity videos. Next episode, we might go deeper and do real attack simulations, Wireshark, packet sniffing, and maybe a few secrets from the dark side. This is Kagasek signing off, where we don't just teach hacking, we teach logic, fun, and little bit of chaos.